So welcome back to our channel of vlogging Amrit Artworks. So in this video I am going to teach you something about coding. What is coding? And so why do you learn coding, what to use while doing coding, everything etc. So let's begin, and this video show is done by Mr. Dada Mitra, and in the YouTube channel it will be held. And so let's begin. So let's start. And on starting I must say that I'm going to give you a thing or a presentation that I'm going to give you. Very nice. And so go. Here we're going to go and start with the course of HTML. Okay, so we're going to start the course of HTML5 and CSS3, so that we can see on the page that it's HTML5 means hypertext markup language that is used to make the in the future section we're gonna see that. Okay, so first we're gonna go HTML5, then the next course will be CSS3. So HTML and CSS will be going to be long course that I have had in this YouTube channel. So let's continue. So software or tool required. So in coding we need some web browsers like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and that, what is that? Okay, wait 1 second, I must take a thing about my pen. Okay, so in coding we need a web browser to view it, and an HTML. So we now must need Sublime Text Editor and Visual Studio Code that we're gonna go to use today, and we can also use Chrome. Chrome is the best browser I have ever preferred, and Mozilla Firefox is also. And if you're using a Mac, so you can do with this Safari thing. And I don't know what's this web browser. Okay, so there are many things that it is called writing things or text editor. So text editor is very necessary in doing this. So we have Notepad++ in our computer already, or so let's start. And I need something downloaded from internet. And so we need to learn HTML and CSS both, because HTML is the thing that we need as our bone or skeletons, or what is that, structure of the web browser, and CSS is needed to make the body look quite good, or else it will be like something like this. So this is with HTML, and we can go with this ID in Facebook, login, email, phone. This normally it is done by only HTML. No CSS is used. So, but using CSS it just looks beautiful, and it is a very nice thing that we need CSS for learning, and nice thing to do. Okay, so CSS is very important, but we'll learn it later. So which languages and tools do you use to code? And to code I must tell that to code we need a PC or laptop. It is very necessary that you can have a PC at home and do coding at outside. It is coronavirus pandemic, so we can go to the office and do that, or else that thing happens us. We can go and build a PC and go with the thing and do coding at home. So that's great. And we also need a laptop. What's that? Programming. Okay, so we need a laptop to do all these things. And also the nice thing I held is that thing that every children can do coding. That's the nice thing I am though. Though these are the main fundamentals that the child needs to learn. So if the lamp doesn't work, is it plugged in, bulb burned out, repair the lamp, or plug in lamp, replace the bulb. Okay, so that's it. And the the child is very happy doing coding and in Go things like this, and also the child needs a laptop, or what is that? PC is the best. Okay, so PC is the best. We can go and start in with the PC. Then next I must see that which application and tools to use in coding. So we have the Python and Python application, and also we have Kotlin and C++, C Sharp, JavaScript, Swift, Java, Ruby, PHP, JavaScript, and Red. So these are the tools that we need to do all these things. That okay. So next thing I must use that how to choose a project. So we can go, and we have many languages such as all these things, and we're going to see here all these languages. So in this we have many departments such as we have domain like web development, Android and iOS, and we have data sciences, and software development is the most important, and also there is number one called game development. I thought you have played all that games are called Free Fire, Brawl Stars, everything, blah blah blah. And so we need to do one thing for web development, like we use Google or anything, Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, etc. We use web development, and in web development we have JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Node.js, PHP, Django, all that things. Okay, in Android, in building the apps in Android, we have Java and Kotlin. So these are the two main languages and the rare languages that are used to make the softwares or apps in Android. Okay, so iOS means Apple Mac, or that like Apple company brings us the own software of iOS, and to build an app or a software for iOS we need the language called Swift. For data sciences we need Python, R and MATLAB. So these are the things that we need for data sciences. And software development we need Java, C Sharp, Python. And the main thing I really like is the game development. I really love this because there is very easy peasy language called CSS, or sorry, C++. C++ is the easiest language I have ever learned, and C Sharp is also. But for your purposes I am going to start with HTML, and HTML is the best thing I have ever think. So in HTML we can do many things. So jobs we can expect with coding. So we can expect the jobs like cloud computing. So do you know what is cloud? Okay, so cloud is then software or an application to store many things, as you can almost thing storage. And software development. Software development is the thing that works in a PC, or what is that? We can develop PowerPoint or any thing or any software that is on your PC. Then after that, game development. So in game development we can expect the jobs like game companies like Garena and Tencent Gamings, all that. And in software development we have like Windows, Microsoft, etc. And cloud computing we have Android, and in machine learning means robotics and rocket sciences also. We can go NASA, ISRO is there, and data sciences is also there. And big data and web development means we have to got web development like Google. We can job in Google. Okay, so that's it. Then we have to do in home, that's easy. Then we need a laptop, and the kids can also do. And also we need also a PC. PC is the best thing that we can do. So thank you so much for watching. Let us end this show, and so is ended with thank you so much for watching. And also I'm gonna see one thing, that we need to download this thing, Visual Studio Code. To code, I think that Visual Studio Code is the best. So for downloading Visual Studio Code, we need to go to Chrome and all that downloading. Thank you so much for watching. I will do it as later on. And so thank you so much for watching. Take care, like, subscribe to the channel of Vlogging Amrit Artworks, and don't forget to like this channel. Also share this video to many of these friends, for that coding is the new session or new syllabus for classes 8 to 6, and that's the great thing that we have many softwares or many websites such as White Hat Junior and Khan Academy for teaching or learning coding, free or expensive. We can give some rupees and get courses. So thank you so much for watching, and bye.